Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. I'm Khizr Jawad and I'm going to introduce the course History 306, which is Islamic History. The days of this course are Tuesday, Thursday, 2 p.m. to 3:15 p.m. This survey course on the Prophet Muhammad, Pious Caliphate, Umayyad and Abbasid periods examine their central and provincial administrations, expansion and conquests, religious policy, fiscal policy, foreign relations, the development of art and culture, and the causes of their downfall. Learning objective of this course are, at the end of this class, students will be better able to formulate reflective, informed and sympathetic evaluation of Islamic beliefs and practices. Use primary sources to answer questions about historical change in Islam, describe differences among interpretations of the Islamic past, analyze institutional and cultural changes in Islam and in Muslim communities over time, describe what disciplines of history and religious studies each contribute to understanding the development of Islam. Explain the benefits of being able to combine the contributions of two different disciplines in examining a topic. Online methods and resources, pre-recorded lectures with PowerPoint, also provide students with online guides and resources uploaded by the Moodle Empower. Reading requirements are, after going through the assigned material by the faculty, students will have option to choose one compulsory activity out of these 3 activities every week. Students need to cover all activities till the end of the course. First is online worksheet. Students need to complete the written activity designed by the faculty. It carries 20% of the total grade. Second is audio video response. Students need to record 3 to 5 audio video response about their learning and send to the faculty. It carries 20% of the total grade. Short papers questions. Students need to write short answers of the 2 questions. It carries again 20% of the total grade. Final research papers, 8 to 10 pages. Students need to select the topic and get approved by the faculty. It carries 20% of the total grade. Overall assessment of the students' activity learning engagement. It carries 10 of the total grade. It carries 100 marks. FCC guideline and policy will be followed. Course policies, medium of instruction is English. 70% attendance in online or physical classes is must. Participation in online class discussion and physical are mandatory. Exams or assignments would be notified weekly, and if a student misses them, there will be no concession except in case of illness or unavoidable circumstances. Plagiarism will be result in failure in the subject. Schedule for assignments for the students who have the problems of internet connectivity will be announced by the instructor. Lesson plans, pre-recorded lectures with PowerPoint also provide students with online guides and resources uploaded by the Moodle Empower in each week. Faculty member will upload the course material at the start of every week, and students will be required to be engaged accordingly with their submission at the end of the week. There are varieties of topics. It divides in 3 parts. Part first covers about the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Second part covers about Pious Caliphate. After that, Umayyad Caliphate, and next part is Abbasid Caliphate. What are the grading principles? My aim is to ensure that I can bring the semester to a close in an efficient manner. My entire plan is based on sense of compassion and inclusivity. My focus will be communication and flexibility. In order to meet these goals, I have designed learning outcomes for my courses and demonstrated how I intend to deliver them and evaluate the students. I have also modified my survey courses to make sure that the transition is both smooth and inclusive. Instructions mode for the class. My first step is to reassure the students that they will be able to successfully complete the course. I intend to email them the details of my lesson plan. I will provide written lectures for the students and upload pre-recorded lectures as well. I will use PowerPoint slides to help them understand the key points of the lectures. I will add discussion forums and worksheets to keep the students engaged in class. Everything will be done in Moodle Empower. However, the other ways of communication could be utilized to facilitate the students who have access problem. Considering the situation of the country, the course instructor reserves the right to modify the above plan as need be during the course of the class. However, it won't be done unpretentiously, and any change that would be incorporated will be informed well in advance. You will be enjoying the course. See you in the course. Thank you very much.